Okay guys, today I have an AMC 2016 10A problem. It is number 11. Forgot to write that up. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay, let's get started. So we have to find the area of the shaded region. So first thing I'm going to notice is that this is 11117744. So it's symmetrical, okay? And this total thing is 8. Now, since it's symmetrical, that is that I can split these up into 4 equal parts, okay? And this connection right here is right at the center. My drawing is just a tad off. So there are a few ways of looking at it from here. One, I could just mathematically if this total length is 5, I could say, well, this length is going to be 3 over 2, and this length is going to be 5 over 2, or 2.5 and 1.5. And also this length right here would be 3, and this length would be 4, to add them up and to get 7. And I could multiply these out here and over here, and then do 1/2 base height, and find the area doing it like that. Or I could do a little bit of a cooler way. I can break these up into triangles. So I have one triangle there, and then one triangle here, and another triangle over here. So now I can just do 1/2 base times height. Okay, so if you turn your head, you'll see this would be the base, and the height would be this length right over here, which is 3. Okay, so we can do, it would be 1, so base times height would just be 3, so 1/2 of that is 3 over 2. It's going to be times 2, because we have that same or here, let me not do that. So we're going to have 3 over 2, and then for this one right over here, its height is going to be 5 over 2, so it would be 1/2 base height, so it would be 5 over 2 divided by 2, which is 5 over 4. And then for over here, when the base is right over here, the height is going to be this, which is 1 plus 3 over 2, which is going to be 5 over 2. So this right here is 5 over 2, and that makes sense that this has to be the same as this. So we have 5 over 2, and that's the height, and so that times that divided by 2 is going to be 5 over 4. And then over here again, if we have this triangle, we have this 1 times this height of 4. Oh, I guess I messed up over here. I said this length was 3, this length was 4, which brings this fraction down to 1/2. Because it is 1 times 4 divided by 2, which is 4 divided by 2, which is 2. Okay, so now we add these up. We have 4 plus 10 over 4. That is 4 plus 2, and this is equal to 2, and then we have a remaining 2 over 4 left, so it's equal to 2.5. So the answer would be 6.5. And that is correct. Okay, so I just messed up a little bit with my math. Just the main thing is just keep your eye on the goal, to focus a lot about what you're trying to do, while still keeping in mind the general idea and the concept of 1/2 BH, because in this case you really have to have a full understanding of like the area of this. This would be the base, and this right here is the height. So You need to also know that to solve the problem this way. Anyways, thank you for watching and goodbye.